Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your skin color in Hytale. Before we begin, let me punch my friend who's zoned out. As you can see, I am kinda tanned. So what I'll do, I'll go ahead and make myself black, or let's just make ourselves red. So I'll just go to the main menu, go ahead and press escape on your keyboard, click here on quit to main menu, and then what I want you to do once you're in the main menu, click here on my avatar, and then I want you to click on this icon here to access your body settings, and then click here on this icon again. You can change your body characteristics, including your skin color. We have these options right here. You can make yourself green if you want, or even red, as you can see right here. Once you're done, just go ahead and save this, and you can join back into your game. And that is how to change your skin color in Hytale. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel as well. It helps me out.